Konnichiwa! Welcome back to NihonGo Quiz, your fun destination for learning Japanese through quizzes. Today, we have a special challenge, a Hiragana Sentence Quiz focused on Japanese food words. You'll see a sentence with a missing word. Choose the correct food word from the 4 options. You'll have 5 seconds to answer, so stay sharp and ready. Are you hungry for a challenge? Let's get started. First question. Time's up. The correct answer is sushi. Kyo no Hirogo hanwa sushi desu. It means today's lunch is sushi. Next sentence. Time's up. The correct answer is tamago. Asa gohan ni tamago o tabemashita. It means I ate eggs for breakfast. Next sentence. Time's up. The correct answer is niku. Obento no naka ni niku ga arimasu. It means there is meat inside the bento box. Next sentence. Time's up. The correct answer is ramen. Watashi wa ramen ga suki desu. It means I like ramen. Next sentence. Time's up. The correct answer is tofu. Kanojo wa tofu o sukute imasu. It means she is making tofu. Next sentence. Time's up. The correct answer is ame kyo no desatawa ame desu. It means today's dessert is candy. Next sentence. Time's up. The correct answer is kudamono. Kono kudamono wa totemo amai desu. It means this fruit is very sweet. Let's move to the next. Time's up. The correct answer is onigiri, restaurant, onigirio, shimonshi mashita. It means I ordered a rice ball at the restaurant. Next sentence. Time's up. The correct answer is keki. Kodomo wa keki ga daisuki desu. It means children love cake. Now for the last sentence. Time's up. The correct answer is pan. Kanbi ni de pano kaimashita. It means I bought bread at the convenience store. Great job, everyone! How many did you get right? Drop your score in the comments below. If you enjoyed this quiz, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new quiz. Still up for other Japanese quizzes? Click here for your next challenge. See you there!